My name's Corey Miles, and I work in the finishing department. Both my grandfather and my uncle were volunteer firefighters in Pennsylvania. Um, they both served in the Navy. I was in the Army, but and then a couple of the guys that I served with also, after we got out of the service, became firefighters. It's been pretty interesting. I had no idea about the job before I started, so I've gained a lot of experience and knowledge about the actual process and what happens. We pretty much take the raw material that comes from the CNC side of the plant and run it down the anodizing line to protect it from rust and put a commercial grade finish on the product so it can be assembled. 90% of the things that we manufacture here have to run through the anodizing department. So that's a lot of product that in here, like, it can be made correctly, but if it comes out of here wrong, it's no good, you know. TFT Proud to me means taking pride and ownership in the work that we do as a company, and also pride and ownership in how we treat each other as coworkers, and then just being a part of something that is so necessary and vital to, you know, the firefighting industry and saving lives and protecting people and equipment. And it's really been a really positive experience.